All right, here's a little demo of my amp research power steps. Over here. Bada bing. Bada boom. All right, hopefully you can see the LED lights kick on when I open the truck door. I turn the lights off in the garage so you can probably see this. Hopefully you can see this. See them right there, the two? And shut it. Waits 3 seconds. And they pop back up and the lights go off. So the power step came with a sticker, and I've been putting all my little stickers on the back window here, little NASCAR looking kind of thing, right? So let's go over here to the computer and I'll show you what I bought. I did research online to find the correct steps, and I actually went with a 2020 GMC Sierra crew cab power step on eBay. Found it. So I was pretty happy about that deal. And let's talk a little bit about the installation. This is, of course, a 2021 Sierra AT4. And what I had to do was take the stock steps off, which were really, really easy. Just a few screws, and I actually end up selling those to offset the cost of some very expensive amp research steps. And I'm not going to get underneath the truck, but I am about just under 5'10" with my shoes on, without my shoes on, 5'8"-ish. And this really helps saddle up, get up into the truck. Probably one of the best mods I've done to this truck. Bada bing. And each side is independent. So when you open up the driver's door, the passenger steps don't come down. Only when the passenger step or the passenger door is open, that side step will go on. The control module, let me turn the light on here, see if I can turn the light on. Yep, I got light. All right, so the light, the control module is right here. It connects right into your OBD2 port, and it had to take these side panels down and mat out and pull the carpet up and go underneath. It's all in the directions, and to tell you the truth, the directions are good, but you better have some experience or knowledge or some will to do it yourself, because it does take a little bit of finagling, especially with the wiring harnesses, to get everything correct and mounted up there. And you have to crawl on your back to snake the wires and strap everything down. Get creative with that. You'll have a little bit of extra wires. And then you got to wire up, the last thing I did was wire up the LED lights, which was relatively easy, but I'm glad I did that. But let me show you the work underneath the hood. This was, the actual mounting, and I did it by the book from Amp Research's directions. The mounting of these steps were relatively straightforward. You might want to get a torque wrench for the foot-pounds in there. Read reviews on people who have installed these, and they'll tell you the same thing. So I had to get pretty creative with the wiring harness back here. You see that wire right there, that cable harness? That goes to the left side of the vehicle. And I had to find a little cubby hole to snake this cable down through. That was a pain. I still got pieces left over in there I gotta get out. Of course, tie strap with the black tie straps, the good ones, that are rated a little bit better than the clear ones. So that goes over to here, and then the control module is right there, right here. And I just wire strap these down to the battery harness. And then the right side harness, I snuck through the firewall too. It's very difficult. It's just a lot of snaking through. And I had to come up with the solution. I had to take this cover off and get the power leads onto the buses here. And they don't show you that in the directions either, so again, you have to get kind of creative. But so far so good. I've had these on for a good month now or so, and absolutely love them. Again, probably one of the best mods I've done with this truck. Almost a safety thing. Oh, I got a light in here too, a little Maggie light. Good solid magnet on there. Excuse me. But I've done so many mods to this truck, and you know, when it comes to mods and tweaks, it's to each their own, and how and what they want to do to their vehicle. But this is definitely a winner chicken dinner with these guys. Well, just let me know if you want any more explanation or have any questions on these things, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Okay? All right. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.